Have you ever wanted to make a delicious dessert at home that will make your loved ones ask for a second slice? How about a crunchy Oreo cookie base with a rich chocolate cream cheese filling, all topped off with a perfect dark chocolate ganache? If your answer is yes, stay tuned for a chocolate cheesecake recipe that doesn't need any baking or gelatin. So, who's up for making the best chocolate cheesecake that will impress your family and friends? Then, let's get started. We will start with the cheesecake base. Grab 150 grams of Oreo biscuits. Crunch them using a blender until they are just right. Add 40 grams of melted and cooled butter and give it a quick blend. Mix it around with a spatula to make sure everything's well combined. Pop this mix into a cake tin lined with acetate foil to easily remove the cheesecake later. Now tap the base well with the bottom of a glass, then smooth it with the back of a spoon. Now into the freezer it goes for about 10 to 15 minutes. While our base chills, let's prepare the cream cheese filling. We need 200 grams of dark chocolate finely chopped. This will help the chocolate melt faster. On top, we need 130 grams hot heavy cream. I put the heavy cream for about 1 minute and a half into the microwave. As a side note, it must be hot but not boiled. Now, give it a good stir until it's melted and creamy. Set this aside to cool while we'll work on the cream cheese part. In a bowl, mix together 300 grams cream cheese at room temperature and 100 grams of powdered sugar. Stir it with a spatula until the sugar is nicely blended in. Now, add the melted chocolate to the cream cheese mix and stir it all together. We will obtain a smooth and creamy composition. Take the base of the cheesecake out of the freezer and pour the creamy mixture over the base. Make sure it's all nice and even. Now, let's prepare some chocolate ganache. Take 70 grams of dark chocolate, the good stuff, and 70 grams of hot heavy cream and pour that hot heavy cream over the chopped chocolate and stir it until it's silky and quite delightful. Pour this ganache over the cheesecake and tap the tin gently to even it out before we unveil this delicious outcome. If you are enjoying this video, remember to subscribe to Sabrissimo so you wouldn't miss our next video. Now it's time to put our cheesecake in the fridge for at least 4 hours or better yet overnight. Once it's ready, remove the acetate foil and transfer it into a serving plate. For decor, let's get creative with the toppings. Add some fresh raspberries, strawberries, Oreo bites. You can add mint and rosemary for a green touch and a sprinkle of caramelized nuts for the contrast. It's a delightful dessert that it's almost too good to resist. There you have it, a no-bake chocolate cheesecake that's as tasty as it is simple to make. To slice it perfectly, dip your knife into warm water and clean it after every cut for a perfect slice. Go ahead and enjoy it with your loved ones. I know I will. If you liked this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and leave a comment below with your opinion about this recipe. So be part of Sabrissimo community by clicking on subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our next cooking adventures. Thank you for joining me today in the kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking!